Once upon a time, replacing a car battery was a 5-minute job. Pop the hood, disconnect the old one, drop in the new, tighten the clamps, and you were good to go. But today's internal combustion engine vehicles, yes, even the ones without hybrid badges, are a different breed. The modern 12-volt battery isn't just a power source anymore. It's part of a carefully monitored and managed electrical ecosystem controlled by a battery management system, or a BMS. In simple terms, the BMS is the brains behind your car's electrical heart. It monitors the battery's state of charge, SOC, and the state of health, SOH, temperature, and ensuring every electrical system gets exactly what it needs without overtaxing the battery. Modern vehicles have hundreds of electrical loads, modules, sensors, actuators, and start-stop systems that constantly communicate with the BMS. It keeps tabs on how much power is being drawn, how quickly the alternator recharges the battery, and even when it's safe to shut down or restart the engine at a red light. The BMS can adjust alternator output on the fly, reduce charging under braking to improve fuel efficiency, and protect the electrical system during high demand events. When a new 12-volt battery is installed, the BMS doesn't automatically recognize it as new. The system still assumes it's dealing with the old, possibly degraded battery it's been managing. That means the BMS might undercharge or overcharge the new one based on bad data. Resetting or reinitializing the BMS tells the control module, hey, we've got a fresh battery now. Start learning again from scratch. This reset clears old adaptation values, allowing the system to recalibrate its charge and discharge logic according to the new battery's true capacity. If you skip the reset, several things can happen. The alternator may limit charging, leaving your brand new battery undercharged. Or it might overcharge, shortening the battery's lifespan. Systems like start-stop, regenerative charging, or power management can behave erratically. In some cases, the vehicle might even throw warning lights or log diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs. From a technician's standpoint, this reset isn't just a best practice. It's a requirement on most modern vehicles. Many scan tools include a battery registration or BMS reset function specifically for this reason. Failing to perform it means you're essentially asking the car to run blind. Over time, the new battery's performance can degrade prematurely, and the customer might be back complaining of a bad battery that isn't bad at all. Replacing a 12-volt battery today isn't the same as swapping one out in a 76 Monte Carlo. The modern BMS has turned what used to be a simple task into a critical calibration step. So the next time a battery gets replaced, remember, it's not just a part swap. It's a handshake between old school power and modern intelligence. Resetting the BMS ensures that handshake happens cleanly, keeping the vehicle's electrical system balanced, efficient, and ready to roll.